Okay, sir.
Okay, children, today we are going to discuss parallel lines part 5 video. Okay, all of you open the link in the description, children. Which sum we are going? 7th page. Open 7th page, 18th sum. 7th page, 18th sum. Open the link in the description. These two are parallel lines. Okay, children. And they also gave that this is 3y.
Sir, 17th sum, sir.
17th sum is over. 18th sum. 17th sum is over. Yesterday we did.
No, sir, you did not come.
I told you yesterday. 17th sum I
The
told you. Yes, I told you.
17th sum done, sir.
Yes, I told you. 18th sum. 18th sum. 17th I told you. If you want, I will say I told you. 2y plus 25 and this is x plus 50. X plus 50. Children. He is asking what is the value of x. Children. What is the value of x? So children, all of you remember this angle and this angle are equal. Why anyone? These both are equal. Why anyone?
Alternate interior angles.
Interior angles.
Alternate interior angles, they are equal. Equal. Why they are equal? Alternate interior angles. So if you bring this here, 3y minus 2y is equal to 25. Y is equal to. Now children, if this is 25, this is also 25. Can anyone say why this is both are equal?
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite. X plus 15 is equal to 25. Vertically opposite angles. You should not write short forms in the exam. Okay, 15 if you put in here, x is equal to 25 minus 15, x is equal to 10. That's it. Okay, so simple, very easy. I have to complete the papers till all pages today. 19th sum. Check children 19th sum. Figure I'm drawing here. Okay, all of you please see the figure. This is given like this. Keep seeing children, this is given like this. And this is a line. This is and this are parallel. They said these both are parallel lines. And here this is parallel. These both are parallel lines. And he said this is 28 degrees. And he said this is 72 degrees. Okay, question. Then measure FDE. FDE is how much? FDE. Children is asking this angle is how much. That's it. This is a question. Okay, what is the condition he gives? These both lines are parallel. These both lines are parallel. Okay, children. Children, if this is 28, can anyone say what is this, children?
28.
If this is 28, this is also 28. Why? Because they are corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
Yeah, K is 28 degrees corresponding angles. Now, K plus X plus 72 is how much in anyone?
180, sir.
Linear
180.
straight angle. Okay, K plus X plus 72 is equal to 180 straight angle or linear. Okay. K is how much children? 28. 28 plus X plus 72 is equal to 180. 28 plus 72 is 100 children. 100 is equal to 180. 100 it comes here. X is equal to 80 degrees. X is 28. Simple children. Very easy. This is 28. This is also 28 because corresponding. And these three are 180 degrees. So all of you copy children. Keep copying, keep copying, keep copying. No one should sit idle. You should keep copying children. No one is sitting idle. Next sum. See the sum children next. 20th sum. This is the sum children. Okay. He's saying these both are parallel lines. This is 65 degrees. 65 degrees and this is 28 degrees. How much is this? Okay, children. So children, if this is 65, this is how much anyone?
65.
Five, sir.
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. K is also 65 corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. If K is 65, this is how much anyone? Linear plane. Okay. So 65 plus y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 65. Y is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. 115 degrees. Okay, now apply angle sum property. Okay, children, apply angle sum property. Angle sum property. You know angle sum property is how much, children? 180 degrees. So How you will apply, children? X plus y plus 20 is equal to 150. But y is how much you got? 150. So x plus 115 plus 20 is equal to 150. I'm doing the policy. X plus how much is this, children? 135 is equal to 135 is equal to 180. This becomes here. X is equal to 180 minus 135. X is equal to 45 degrees. Over. That's it. Okay, those who didn't understand, please see here. If this is 65, this is also 65 because these both are parallel lines and this becomes a very transversal. Okay, this is 65, this is also 65. This is 65, this is a 115 because these both are linear pair. Then I applied angles of property. Corresponding linear pair angles of property. Corresponding linear pair angles of property. Corresponding linear pair angles of property. Nothing rocket science is there. Very, very easy. How many sums you practice, that much stronger you become in the subject. I told you millions of times. Just lesson is there, so we should do the lesson and we should complete the lesson. That should not be the attitude of children, students. We should learn the subject perfectly. Okay, children, these both are parallel lines. All of you please see here. And this is given as 1, 3, 2. And this is given as 1, 4, 8 degrees. And is asking how much is this. That's it. Very easy. All of you see here. Okay, children, let's see here, all of you. So, children, how you are doing? I will draw one more parallel line. One more. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. This figure I will keep as it is. I'll draw another figure so that you will not get any confusion, children. Okay, he's asking the value of x. Now, please check. Here I'm drawing. All construction should be in dots, children. If this is 132, can anyone say what will be y, children? 132 and y are? Anyone? 132 and y are? 132 and y?
Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary.
Very good, Shanmugh. Very good. Shanmugh is saying very nice. So x is equal to 180 minus 130. No one is saying co-interior angles are supplementary. So x is equal to 8, 7 minus 3, 48. So this is 48. But children, this total is 148 is given. So this will be 100. This will be 100. This will be 100. Okay, try to understand. If this is 100, this is also 100. Can anyone say why, children? If this is 100, this is also 100.
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles.
If k is 100, x also 100, all should involve children. Then only you will be alert. If not, you will feel sleepy, children. You are later. I will be nicely enjoying doing my sums, but you will get 132 because this co-interior angles are supplementary. I made it as y is equal to 48. Already 148 total. If this 48 is gone, this will be 100. 100 plus 40 is 148. If this is 100, this is also 100 corresponding. Co-interior, they give sum corresponding. Co-interior, they only give sum and corresponding. Co-interior, they give sum and corresponding. K and X are corresponding. Like that, you should do, children. Next page. Go to 8th page, children. Go to 8th page, children. Please go to 8th page. What is the sum number we are going to do now, children? 22. Anyone wants to give a try, children? 20 seconds. Anyone wants to try? 20 seconds. Anyone wants to give a try, children? These both are parallel, children. They have given. Children, this is 70. This is 30. This is X. Anyone wants to give a try, children? Very, very easy subject. Very, very easy. If this is 70, this is also 70. Can anyone say why?
Corresponding angles, sir.
Corresponding angles. If this is 70, this is 110. Can anyone say why?
Linear pair.
Now apply. Apply.
Angle sum property.
Very good, Nadia. Angle sum property is equal to 180. Angle sum property. What happened, Shanmugh? You are not saying 140 plus x is equal to 180. If this comes here, x is 40. Those who didn't understand, again, I'm saying if this is 70, this is also 70 corresponding. If this is 70, this is 110 linear pair. If this is 110, this is 30, you can apply angle sum property. And some people will say, sir, 70 is equal to 30 plus x, we can write no. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Like that also, you can do no problem. For doing it, so many methods will be there, children. Here you can find co-interior angles, vertically opposite angles, like that also you can do. Okay, this is one of the procedure. Don't think this is only final. So many methods will be there. Only thing is you should know the sum how to do. Next, children, 23rd sum. Steps you should write, children. You should not do directly. Steps you should write in exam. 23rd sum, children. What is 23rd sum? These are two parallel lines are there, children. Two parallel lines. And here, if given like this, because this is 65 mark, all of you see, this is 65 degrees, and this is how much mark? This is 40 degrees. Okay, he's asking you to find out x. That's children. Can anyone say if this is 65? How much will be this angle?
So 6.
65.
65.
Corresponding angles.
Alternate angles.
Alternate interior angles.
Interior alternate angles. Okay, children. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite. All of you know that that thing is theorem. Do you know, or shall I go with another procedure? Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite. All of you know that statement. Children, yes or no? In 7th class you study, in 8th class you study. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, in a triangle, exterior angle will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So x is equal to 65 plus 40. X is equal to 105 degrees. Why? Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Keep, okay, all of you keep saying 3-4 times by yourself. Okay, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. You keep saying 3-4 times, children, because I will be using many times in triangles that property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Keep saying for yourself. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles. Or else you can find out this angle by angle sum property. Then you can apply linear pair. There also no problem. Go to 24th question, children. 24th question. You have to complete our children. Over. So many days we have to start the triangle properties too.
Sir, can I try this question?
Yes, Nana, very good, fantastic. You should come like that forward. I will try, I will do. If you say it's very good. Yes, ma? Till Nana? Nana, this is the condition. These both are parallel lines. Yes,
Sir,
ma?
they have given that is 90 degrees, sir.
Where, Nana? Yeah, okay. This is 90 means, children, this is also 90. They said this is 90. If this is 90, children, this is also 90. Okay, Nana, exterior angle equal to?
Sum of opposite interior angles.
So what we can write? 125 is equal to?
125 is equal to 90 plus x.
Very good. Why? What you will say the statement? Can you say the statement?
Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles.
Very good. Sum of interior opposite angles. See all of you how nicely she's saying it. Okay. So
X is equal to 125 minus 90.
X is equal to 35 degrees. Very good.
Which is equal to 35.
Very good. So Nana, mute your audio. Children, if this is 90, this is 90 linear. If this is 90, this is also 90. They didn't give 90. They just kept a small square. Small square indicates it is a 90. If this is 90, this is also 90. And 125 is exterior angle. Exterior angle equals sum of interior opposite angle. So what can happen? Okay, children, next. Next. This is 25th sum. 25th sum, children, all of you see. Two complementary angles are such that 2 times the measure of one is equal to 3 times the measure of other. Complementary angles means one is x, other one is 90 minus x. Okay, he's saying that 2 times measure of one is 2 times measure of one is equal to 3 times the other, 3 times other. 2 times of one angle is 3 times the other. So 2x is equal to 3 into 90 is how much, children? 270. 390 is a 270 minus 30. Bring this here, children. 5x is equal to 270. X is equal to 270 by 5. X is equal to 54 degrees. If one is 54 degrees, children, if one is 54 degrees, what is 90 minus 54, children? 36 degrees. So what we can say? 2 times of 54 degrees is equal to 3 times of 36 degrees. Because 2 54s are 108. 336 also 180. 2 times of 54 degrees is equal to 3 times of 36 degrees. 2 times of 54 degrees is equal to 3 times of 36 degrees. Okay, children, 8th page is also over. Go to 9th page, children. Go to 9th page, children. In 9th page, which sum we are doing, children, now? 24th question. 26th, sorry, 26th question, 9th page. Okay, in 9th page, 26th question, children, like this, like this, like this. It is there. Please concentrate, children. One is x, one is y, one is z. X, y, z. Okay, he said that if y by x is equal to 5, y by x is equal to 5, and z by y is equal to z by y is equal to how much? It's blur now, children. Z by y is equal to 4. Z by y is equal to 4. And find the value of x. X is how much? Okay, children, very, very easy. Some children want to please see here. We know angles are linear pair. Linear pair, children, or side straight angle x plus y plus z is equal to 180. Please check, children, all of you. Please check all of you here. So, children, what they gave y by x is equal to 5. Okay, y by x is equal to 5. Can I write y is equal to 5x, children? I will write y is equal to 5x. I will write y is equal to 5x. And z is equal to 4y. Z is equal to 4y. Z is equal to 4y. X plus 5x is 6. And 4. Y is equal to how much, children? Already we got y is equal to 5x. Y is equal to 5x. Again I will put 5x, children. Y is equal to 5x. Again I will put 5x, children. So 6x plus 20x is equal to 180. 26x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 26. Okay, children, 4 5 is 50 plus 6. Okay, 26. So 2 90 is 230 is. So x is equal to 90 by 13. I think somewhere we did a small mistake, children. It is z by x, I think, children. This is z by x, I think, children, because there it is blur. I could not see it is z by x, children. Please put z by x. Z by x will put angle, children, because 90 by 13 is weird answer. But procedure is fantastic, children. No problem with this procedure. Okay, children, please see here. I am putting this as z by y, children. Okay. So, children, all of you see here. X is x, y is 5x, z is anyone? Z is
4x.
4x is equal to
4x.
180. 10x is equal to how much, children? 180. 0 0 gone. X is equal to 18 degrees. No, you want y also, means y is equal to 5x, no, children. So 5 into 18, 90. Z also we want means 4x, no, children. 4 into 18, 72. Like this. You can do any how you want, you can do, children. Okay. Next, 27th subject. 27th, 29th, 27th. I hope everyone understood this sum, children. This is a very, very fantastic sum, beautiful sum, children, easy to understand. Okay, next, 27th sum. There are 3 parallel lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 are parallel lines. 3 are parallel lines. There is one transversal which is deviating in the middle. Here it is coming like this. Here it is coming like this. Again, here it is going. Means these both are parallel, children. In the middle, this is not parallel, but this and this are parallel. Okay. Please try to concentrate, children. If you concentrate only, you will get this many sums. They won't say in your schools, your wish. What I am doing here only is final. 25. Okay. Question is, they are asking find HKL. What is HKL? HKL. Children, they are asking, this is H amma, this is K amma, this is L amma, this they are asking HKL. Oh, this sum we already did, children, somewhere. But anyway, again I am discussing. Okay, it's just like a revision we can take. Children, I will continue this as this is parallel line, no? This is parallel line, no? To this, so this I am continuing. If this is 25, children, this is also 25 interior alternate angles. Try to understand. If this is 60, children, this is also 60. If this is 60, this is also 60. Can anyone say why? If this is 60, this is also 60. Why?
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. Very good. If this is 60, this is 120. Can anyone say why?
Linear pair.
Linear pair.
If this is 120, this is also 120. Can anyone say why?
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
Now 120 plus 25 is 145 degrees is HKL. Over. Those who didn't understand, I extended this line, children. Why means these both are parallel? No? Those who didn't understand, 60 is equal to 60 corresponding. 60 is equal to 120 linear pair. 120 is equal to 120 corresponding. 120 plus 25 is your answer. Those who didn't understand, again I'm saying 60 is corresponding. 60 to 120 is linear pair. 120 to 120 is corresponding. 120 plus 25 is your answer. You should have understanding, children. Sir, can I extend like this? Means yes, children. Like that also you can do the sum. Already this sum I discussed somewhere. I don't remember that. Okay, children, next sum. 28th sum. Very, very easy sum, children. Very, very easy sum. 28th sum, children. 28th sum. What is 28th sum? They are saying AB and CD are two parallel lines. AB and CD are two parallel lines. PQ cuts it seems it's a transversal at E and F. At E and F. PQ is cutting at E and F. Okay. EL is the bisector of FEB. EL is the bisector of FEB. EL is the bisector of FEB. Bisector means if this angle is X, this angle is also X. EL is the bisector. If LEB is 35, LEB, this angle is 35, children. Okay, this is the find CFQ. CFQ, where is CFQ? This is how much? So, children, if this is 35, what will be this? Anyone?
35.
35.
35.
35. So 35 plus 35 is 70. Why, children? Total angle. If this is 70, this will be how much, children? Anyone?
70. Alternate interior.
Alternate interior.
If this is 70, this is also 70. If this is 70, this will be how much, children?
110 degrees.
110,
Linear
sir.
pair.
Linear pair.
110 linear pair. Fantastic, children. If this is 35, this is 35 because it's a bisector. If this is 70, this is 70 because interior alternate. If this is 70, this is 110 because it is linear pair. Last time I'm saying if this is 35, this is 35 because this is a bisector. If this total is 70, this is also 70 interior alternate angles. If this is 70, this is 110 because it is linear. Very, very easy to understand. Very, very, very easy to understand. Only thing is you should just enjoy the sums, children. Don't waste the time, children. All the sums you have to practice again and again, children. Don't think they are very tough. They are very, very easy sums. Only the properties you should have command, which is corresponding, which is linear pair, which is a bisector, which is a straight angle, which is a linear pair. You should have a strong command. Okay, children. He said these both are parallel lines. He said these both are parallel lines, and he had three lines he gives, like this and like this. Okay, and he said this is y, this is 2y, this is y. And he said this is 5y. Can anyone say this angle and this angle what they will form, children?
180 degrees.
Co-interior angles. This full angle are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Children, try to understand, children. This is B and this is B. Try to understand. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees because co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. What is angle B? Y plus 2y plus y plus 5y is equal to 180. 3y, 4y, 9y. 9y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 by 90, 20 degrees. So what, children? Y is how much? 20 degrees. That's all.
Y is 100 and the other angle is 80 degrees. Sir.
This is 20, this is 40, this is 20, this is 90, and this is 100. 100 plus 80, 180, like that. Easy, children. This plus this is co-interior. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. You should understand. Next one, children, 30th sum. Here is there CP, then the measure of X is measure of X. Go to 9th page, children. Measure of X. Measure of X. Children, these both are parallel lines, it seems. This is your 105. This is your X. And this is 25. He's asking what is X. Children, I will drop like this one line. If this is 105, what will be this one? Anyone?
105. Corresponding.
Corresponding angle.
Very good. Corresponding. And exterior angle is equal to?
Sum of opposite
two
interior angles.
Interior.
X is equal to 105 plus 25. X is equal to 130 over. Finish. Sum is over. If this is 105, this is 105 corresponding, and exterior angle equal to interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. It's over. That's all. That's all, children. Next sum. Children, these both are parallel lines, he said. These both are parallel lines. And children, these both are also parallel lines. These both are also parallel lines. 34 degrees, 78 degrees. Okay, determine PDQ and AED and DF. So children, all angles he's asking children. Let's find out all angles. Okay, simple, no? It will be like a fun game also. Okay, okay, children. If this is 34, how much is this? Anyone?
34, sir.
34.
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. So let me say this is x. 35 plus x plus 78.
34 is the 34.
34 plus x
Sir,
plus 78.
34.
180 because straight angle. So this plus this is how much, children?
34, sir, even down there.
112 plus 180. Okay, children.
68.
X is equal to 68 degrees. So children, this is 68. Children, if this is 68, this is also 68 corresponding angle because these both are parallel lines. If this is 68, this is 68. Oh, well, all angles we found out. I don't know what they asked, but I found out all. If this is 34, this is 34 corresponding. And this I found out using straight angle or linear way. If this is 68, this is also 68 because corresponding, because these both are parallel lines. If parallel lines are there only, you should say corresponding. Simply, I can't say corresponding angles. If parallel lines are there only, I can say corresponding angles. Simply, I can't say it. Okay. Go to next. Go to the next assumption and see here. They have given like this, like this, like this, like this. These both are parallel lines. Indirectly, this is they are parallel lines. And children, how much is given? This children 90 or 30 or this is angle F is how much, children? Find EC. Find EC. Children, they are asking this for.
Sir, 90.
This is 90. This is 90. Correct. But what is angle F? Angle F is 30, Amma. Angle F is 30. Yes, children, anyone? What is Y? Can anyone say what is Y?
90.
No.
90, sir.
No.
Sum of the opposite two interior.
Sir,
120.
Sir,
Sir, 120.
120.
120 because exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. If Y is 120, X also?
120 degrees
120
corresponding angle.
corresponding angle.
Okay, so children, Y is equal to 30 plus 90. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. If this is 120, this is also 120. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. If this is 120, this is also 120 because these both are corresponding. You should understand, children. Like that, you should analyze the sum. If you can't analyze the sum, children, then definitely you'll get confusion, children. Next sum. This sum also so many times we did again and again. Okay, children. This is given as 36. This is given as 30. This is given as 66. And this is given as 150. 150. Okay, what is the question, children? What is the question? Show that AB is parallel to EF. This is A, B, C, D. Children, this is 66. This is 66. So AB is parallel to C. Try to understand. This is 66. This is 66. So as alternate angles are equal, AB is parallel to C. Again, children, co-interior angles is 180. 150 plus 30 is 150. So EF is parallel to CD because co-interior angles are supplementary. AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. From both the equations, AB is parallel to EF. Here comes, that's all. You're able to understand, children? Those who didn't understand, listen. This is 66, this total also 66. As alternate angles are equal, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. 30 plus 150, 180. Co-interior angles are supplementary, so CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF. AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, therefore AB is parallel to EF. Again, AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. So AB is parallel to EF. Why? These both are alternate or equal. These both co-interior angles are supplementary. If co-interior angles are supplementary, I can say these both are parallel. We did this sum also check. I don't know how many of you know this. Okay, Shani? Two parallel lines are there. This is there, and this is the division is there. To that ADP plus CDP is equal to DPV. Children, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. He's asking to do that X plus Y is equal to Z. Okay, children, one more drawing I will draw and I will show that. If this is X, this is 1. If this is Y, this is 2. Children, X is equal to 1. Can anyone say Y? X is equal to 1. Why? Anyone?
Alternate angles are equal.
Alternate angles are equal. Y is equal to 2. Can anyone say Y?
Alternate interior angles are equal.
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior angles are equal. Now, x plus y is equal to 1 plus 2. X plus y is equal to 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2, children? Anyone?
Z.
What is 1 plus 2 children? Z. Z. Children, last question is the most important question, compulsory question in exam. Last question is very, very important question. There are some so many times.
Sir, the meeting is ending.
Let's just see it, no problem. Very easy synthesis. Children, this is mirror. This is also mirror. One ray is coming like this, getting reflected. We have to prove that these both are parallel. That's all. Okay. This will prove parallel in the next class. Okay. Very, very, very important subject. Very important synthesis. Textbook some important subject for exams also. So many times they ask us, children. Let's prove the next class. Okay. Did you understand, children?